the collision frequency K equal to PZ E minus A by RT, where Z is charge of molecule, fraction of molecule, probabilistic factor, collision frequency. Correct option is option D, collision frequency. Collision frequency Z, number of collisions per unit time, per unit volume between reactive molecules. Number of collisions per unit time, per unit volume between reacting molecules. Probabilistic factor accounts for the proper orientation of molecules during the collision. The collision frequency, that is the collision frequency. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That's now. Bye bye. See you.